20 laps. We'll give you the lineup, and it goes like this. Starting on pole, the number 11 won the last time on his first ever win here in his rookie season in the past. That's Wesley Morgan out of Riverside. Outside him, the number 77, Joseph Pack out of Menifee. Second on the inside is the number 88, heat race winner Ethan Pintop. He is out of Norco. And outside him, the 2023 champion, Chris Carnish, car number 26. He is out of Menifee. Third on the inside, the number 91 car, Cameron Bro out of Ramona, second in points right now. And the point leaders next to him, the 42 out of Canyon Lake, David Stein. In round number 4, it's a 22 on the inside. That's Peyton Morgan out of Woodcrest. With Peyton in that row, the number 3, Tom Shaffey out of Canyon Lake. And rounding out the field will be the number 66. If he can get the car moving, it is over there in lineup. That is Grandpa Phil Stutzel out of Signal Hill. And the 36, Lanny Savage out of Fulton. I want you guys to be sure to check out our social media. We are Perris Auto Speedway on Facebook and Instagram. Perris Auto SPDWY on X.
around to the corner. Oh, look out. Out inside.
Race to the wide line. Dice gonna follow. Three-time champion for rookie who won the last race. Dice is inside. They may encounter another lap car. Grandpa Field not too far in front of us. Break the corner. Here comes the 1-5. Little Pablo on the inside by the hook. He got to get back in. He's into the turn number 3. Checkers lottery about to fly. Second win in a row for the number 11. Carnage. Fifth is going to be passed. And I'm not sure on that. I'm going to keep laughing the number 88. No time on that one. You threw the yellow flag.
Gotta get all the family down here. Hey, this isn't too bad. You winning tonight? Daughter tore another tire up, but she'll fix that. But isn't it somebody's birthday tonight too?
It actually is, Mr. Huck. Up on top.
Got the family. Not only does he have 2 trailers for cars, he's got a small bus to get his crew here every week. So, 2 races, 2 wins.
Yes, sir. It feels good. It feels real good. I'd like to thank my family once again for letting me do this, and sponsors helped me get here. We got Right to Bear, BJ Manufacturing. They really made this possible for me to be out here and give you guys a show.
Well, you guys, that was one of the best factory stock races we've had in a while.
Oh, thanks, sir. I appreciate it. I had a lot of fun.
I like it. You call me sir. Nobody else does.
Well, Mom raised me right.
Yeah. So, got all these sponsors in. Got the family, the kids, right? Car's going to be back on the trailer in one piece.
I hope so. It ran good.
Look good.
I got a hit right there going in the last lap, so we'll see.
Saw that.
Yeah. So it felt a little loose, but I think it was all in my head.
Well, congratulations. So you're kind of new at this. So you did it last time. What you do is you go up front, you had to take the trophy, take the family and the kids, have the picture taken, and that's what the winners do here.
Sweet. Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
Congratulations, sir. Wesley Morgan, second win.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear heart. Happy birthday to you.
Bill, I'm a sucker for these kids, I tell you. Back up.